Well, hey y'all. So this is my last song of the evening, and this one is by Mumford and Sons, who you can at least partially put the blame on for getting me into sort of Americana music. My interest in them as a band has sort of waned over the years, but this song is one of those ones that stuck with me. The song is called "Reminder." Don't let me darken your door. It's not what I came here for. It's not what I came here for. And I won't hear you cry when I'm gone. Won't know if I'm doing you wrong. You'll never know if I'm doing you wrong. Constant reminder of where I can find her, a light that might give up the way. It's all that I'm asking for. Without her I'm lost. Oh, my love, don't fade away. So watch the world tear us apart. A stoic mind and bleeding heart. You never see my bleeding heart. And your light's always shining on. And I've been traveling oh so long. Been traveling oh so long. Constant reminder of where I can find her, a light that might give up the way. It's all that I'm asking for. Without her I'm lost. So my love, don't fade away. My love, don't fade away. Ugh.